What's up, guys? So today I'm going to do a video on how to take the muffler off of your Jeep Wrangler TJ. I got some requests on my last video on how I did that, so I figured I would just show you guys. It's pretty simple, just two bolts. It is kind of a pain in the butt, but I will show you guys. So I'll show you what the muffler looks like. So this attaches right to the cat, and the cat sits on the inside of this ledge here, and then there are two 15mm nuts that go on there. So I'll show you what it looks like underneath the Jeep now. This is right where the transmission brace and transfer case skid plate / holder up thing. So then right here is where the catalytic converter is, and then those two bolts, the two screw things, go through these holes, and then this nut goes on the back side of it. So to get that off, this is the contraption that I used. It's just a socket, and then I have a little extension on it. Then I had this little U-joint that helped me get basically, as you can see now, this is, if this was underneath the Jeep, the bolt is here, and then I'm sitting here rotating it like this, slowly spinning it off. It's definitely tight, and it's definitely a pain, but give it some time. Yeah, I can see, like, you get it back behind here. I don't want to touch it, it's kind of hot. Yeah. So get a little shorter, this is too long. Get a shorter extension, or maybe even no extension, and then we can get back there and just ratchet it off. And then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to cut the exhaust off. At least if you have a lift, you might not have to, but I didn't, so I did this all on the ground. So if you look here, this is where I had to cut it. Just cut it at the back. That little pipe drops down, and then you can kind of fiddle it out that way. But that's pretty much it. All it is the two bolts, and then you got to cut it. At least in my instance, there might be a better way. So if you guys know of a better way of getting this off, at least. But I was thinking about maybe doing a turn down, so having it just turn down versus, rattling this, heat shielding or whatever. So I might do that, but for now, I've had it like this and it works just fine for me. So yeah, that's just a simple way to get the muffler off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. And I will see you guys in the next video.